Now let's upload it as CDR source file. And since I don't have an FTP or SFTP connection on my virtual machine, what I will do is simply manually create a file in the appropriate directory which we selected as an input directory while applying a configuration on configuration server, a web interface. So let's create the file. And let's start with a single voice CDR first. Save it. And now check the log that XDR Mediator actually processed this CDR and get the H323 conf ID to check the log, the billing log directly on the PortaSwitch Administrator web interface. Let's open the log, and as you can see, this is the extraction log. It shows the mapping between all our fields and from the raw CDR, and I don't see any errors outlined in the log. So we are interested in this line. Let's also check CDR rating log for any possible errors, just in case. Yep, everything is fine from rating perspective as well. So status imported, and we have an ID. So we'll copy that ID. Let's go to the log viewer and paste our ID. And this is the billing log of our imported CDR. So as you can see, it's type pre-rated, which means that the charges will be taken directly from the source file, and let's change the debug level, and as you can see, we have account that is charged, and the appropriate XDRs were created. Let's check on session details page. Yeah, everything looks fine. And we have an account as well. Let's now import SMS CDRs. And let's wait for extractor to process them. Let's check the log. Let's copy this log ID, go to the log viewer and check the log. And as we can see, portability access code SMS, type message, amount 3, so there were 3 SMS imported, account was charged, and vendor was charged. Finally, let's import our Internet Access CDR. Save the file and check the CDR extraction log for the appropriate log ID. So let's open the log, find our session ID, as you can see, service type net access, rate pattern net access for G. Go to the log viewer, and this is our session, net access, rate pattern net access for G, account charge, and vendor charge. So that's about it. For a regular administrator, on the other hand, Porta Billing also allows you to control the XDR import process and adjust the configuration if any issues have occurred. And you can do this directly from the web interface. All you need to do is to find the XDR mediation panel. So let's quickly do that. Type mediator, XDR mediation, and let's check all the XDRs that we've imported here. And as you can see, those are our test XDRs. So that's about it. As you have seen, a CDR import configuration that includes adding some custom data transformation rules or the import of source files of a new type must be done by an experienced engineer with advanced knowledge of Porta Billing and with some basic knowledge of programming. This is the main reason why Porta One offers two ways to make sure that the XDR mediator works for your business and its particular CDR file format. First, Porta One can provide you with detailed documentation so that you can configure it according to your file format and required data transformation logic. Then, you conduct quality assurance and deploy it to production by yourself. Or, Porta One can provide you with paid professional services in which we configure the XDR mediator utility according to your needs and make it production ready. Usually, testing the import is an interactive process, since various data format or data quality issues will pop up at different times, and they all need to be addressed. The overall process involves running the import on test files, reviewing the data quality, addressing any discrepancies in the data or result CDRs, then adjusting the code and configuration. The same process will repeat when you start to process real files in production. Based on our experience, it requires at least 16 person-hours of work in total to get you a seamlessly working XDR mediator. And obviously the actual time will highly depend on the use cases, type of files and other requirements. And for the past 20 years, Porta One experts have conducted about 100 projects related to CDR import with custom transformation logic of different scales. So we are very experienced in handling any kind of unique situations. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information useful. If you have plans to launch a CDR import project and you have questions about doing it yourself, or you would like to discuss having Porta One conduct this project for you, please reach out to us using the contact details you can find in the description of this video. Meanwhile, like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more helpful videos about PortaSwitch and its capabilities and utilities.